Good morning everybody, myself Vishwendra. I am the founder of Optimal Success Trajectory, and today we'll discuss mechanics problem. The problem says that there is a block of mass 20 kg. Two forces F1 and F2 are acting on the blocks. We need to find the initial acceleration of the blocks and the AT graphs. But before solving the question, let me remind you that follow 4 steps. The first step is a silent mind. Second step is idea. Third step is information, and the fourth step is calculation. So be silent for 10 seconds. Let's think, let's have an idea. So the first idea is that how to find acceleration. And the second idea is how to draw the graphs. And information that we need to use is F is equal to ma and the parabolic graphs. Let's start with calculations. At t is equal to 0, this force will be 4 and this force will be 0. So there will be a net force towards right which has a value of 4. So F is equal to ma, we can say 4 is 28. So A comes out to be 0.2 from here. So this is the initial acceleration. At a general time, t square plus 4 will be towards left and t square plus 4 will be towards right and 40 will be towards left. So writing the force equation, we can say t square plus 4 minus 40 is 28 as per the sign convention, taking right direction as positive and left as negative. So we have A is equal to t square by 20 minus 0.20 plus 0.2. Differentiating it, we get t is equal to 2. The acceleration has a value 0. And at t is equal to 0, A is equal to 0.2. So that will be a parabolic graph and it will cut the time axis at the point 2, 0. You can verify that. Now let's draw another graph. It's in addition to the problem. So A is this, dA by dt is equal to this. So I suppose that dA by dt is equal to A dash. So I can write A dash is equal to 0.20 minus 0.2. Graph will be a straight line, having intercept minus 0.2. and having slope 0.2. So you have seen that if your process is very clear, the 4 processes are synchronized, then you can solve questions very quickly and very effectively. This is the only difference between successful and unsuccessful students, between skilled and unskilled students. So try to learn the process of problem solving skills rather than learning the information. It is of no use. Learn the process. Practice again and again until and unless you are satisfied with your performance. Again, I would like to remind you that there are 4 steps. The first step is a silent mind. Second is the generating idea. Third is information, and fourth is calculation. Synchronize these 4 steps. Practice these 4 steps. Be an expert in these 4 steps. And nobody can stop you from being with flying colors. Thank you and have a nice day.